Right now we have 1.7 seconds between.
Oh! Hello folks, welcome to NetCruiser RC. The stadium truck, the Team Associated T6.2. We're going to do this for a take two. We're going to go to the track. I've since fixed the steering problem that I had, as the Ackerman bar, I had it flipped 180 degrees the wrong way, so that's fixed up my steering problem. So now I have full steering throw, as well as we got the wing on. So it should perform a lot better on track. Let's go take it out, see how it does. We're going to go with the AE T6.2. Now, the last time we ran this, it was not handling properly because I had accidentally built the front bell cranks wrong. The Ackerman bar, it is possible to invert it. Well, it's possible to run it inverted, or it's also possible to put it in 180 the wrong way. I put it in 180 the wrong way. No one caught it in my build video. No one mentioned it, but and I didn't catch it for a while. Actually, I had to have someone else tell me, hey, maybe it's that, and that's what it was. So we're gonna go out with this, the T6.2. All right, let's go out for the stadium truck. It should perform a heck of a lot better this time. Hopefully, it's good.
Unknown driver.
It's a little slick. Thank you.
John Daniel at 30.4.
All right, they just watered it. Whoa, hold on to that. Hey. Okay, besides some electronics tuning and picking some tires, this seems pretty good. That little Ackerman bar flip made all the difference in the world. Wednesday night race night, and we're actually going to be able to race stadium truck for the first time. So the last clips that I got on the second time I had this out of the track, I had my camera pointed way down too low and you couldn't see the whole track. Unfortunately, you didn't get any of that footage. Now we're going to get to see stadium trucks running in a main. I think I qualified second, so we'll see how we do in this A main race. This is the AE T6.2. No changes other than front tires. I did put worn down electrons on the front, and I'm on reverse rotation ellipses on the rear. I like the setup. It's handling quite well. Let's see how it handles in this main. There we go, stadium truck time. Ooh, wheelie down the straight. We got traction. You can hit that little whoop with a lot of speed. Full throttle. This is a 6.5 in this. It's pretty fun.
Okay, we have our commercials. Fantastic. Marshall's ready. Driver's ready.
The white truck is really fast. I doubt I'm going to beat him, but the yellow, we're trying to beat the yellow. Eddie. See if we can stay ahead.
Nice start, nice start. Oh, that cruiser is too tight.
I got my work cut out for me now.
Not right away, you gotta put that into the back. You know, Nick Cruiser's got some work cut out for him. This is our first stadium truck main in, well, it's our first stadium truck main. Oh, there's some big power in that Nick Cruiser. He's going wheelie down the back straight. Grip it and rip it.
Wow, see the save?
Trucks are going.
Yeah.
Oh, a little bottom from Eddie that allows John Kennedy to catch up. It's going to get closer. And that's our battle right now in the 2-3 spot.
2-3's looking pretty good.
Here's John. Oh, Eddie lands on his roof. He's raising up. John gets away.
I'm up into 2 now, but Eddie's got a faster pace, but he makes more mistakes.
Goodbye. Check out. He's gone fully Motel 6. He has checked out. Charles having some fun with the ugly Betty jump. Ugly Betty, you can do nothing wrong. Go over the ugly Betty. She'll bite you. She'll hold you down. She'll flip you.
She'll hold you down.
That's why it's called ugly Betty.
The line was off there, but held it.
Joe says, I don't care. That truck can go through anything. What's this?
Power! Whoa!
Oh, John Jacob
Turned in a little early there.
inside. You don't look now. Here comes Eddie.
Oh, thank you.
Almost forgot about the leader. He's so far ahead. The battle is closest to 2-3. We got Charles in between.
Turned in too early, then turned in too late. Ooh, Eddie's catching up. Got to make this a show for the end.
So let's see if we can make this stadium truck a weekly event. They're looking good out there. They're a lot of fun. They do everything the Cool Red Buggy does. Just a little softer. A little easier. And big tires. They can handle it.
Second. Fourth.
Right now we got 1.7 seconds between
Oh,
3 and the next
there he
one.
got me.
He takes his scoop spot. He clips the wall a little bit. We got a minute and a half to go, guys.
Minute and a half.
to go. We got a battle yet. Anyone makes a bad move, it's the other guy's position to take.
Yeah.
Fourth. First.
You heard the name. 1 minute left.
Second.
2, 3. 2.8 seconds between them. Goes lower outdoor Sunday driver now. 12.502. Fastest lap, 24.5. Just a corner behind John Kennedy, behind Eddie. Eddie goes wide in the start-finish. 30 seconds to go.
30 seconds
to go. It might be close by the end.
What was that lap, Dara?
What?
What was that lap?
That last lap was 24.2, Joe. 24.2.
It felt good.
It looked good.
Ah,
Oh, Nick Cruz runs up on his roof. That ends
that ends it.
his bid for
Okay.
taking over
Man,
the second spot. 5 seconds to go.
Oh, one more lap.
Joe's going for 24 flat there, I can tell. He's pushing it.
One more
John
lap.
Kennedy, you are done. Joe
What?
Goldberg, you are
Oh, really? Darn it. It clipped me
Just waiting on
right
Eddie and
before.
Charles.
All right, well, that was first run stadium truck. Chuck. That was my own mistakes. Lost that.
Puts
All righty.
Eddie with the second place.
Oh, I could have done that a few more times. All right.
All drivers have finished.
Fastest lap, 24.249.
All right. Stadium trucks. 24-second lap, eh?
My slipper's like perfect. I can just hear it as I.
Yeah.
We have 8 drivers in this.
So that was a better look at the stadium truck. Hopefully that worked out. You get a sense of what it's going to be like. I still have some tuning to do, but it's raceable now. All right, guys, that was stadium truck. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new on here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.